Hey guys, so for our trip in May, we want to pack super light, so here are the 10 skincare and makeup items that I will be bringing. First off, for skincare, I'm bringing 3 items. First is a cleanser. Bring whatever you use at home, but I'm personally bringing the Laneige Multi-Cleanser for all skin types. Second of all, I'm bringing an eye cream. It might not be necessary for everyone, but for me it's important, so I'm bringing this Banana Bright Eye Cream by Ole Henriksen, which I really like because it really brightens my eyes even when I'm not wearing makeup. Last, for skincare, I'm bringing an overall face cream. Again, bring what you use at home, but I use the Laneige Water Bank Hydrating Gel. This is also within the travel size limit, which is great, so I can bring the whole thing. For makeup, I am bringing the IT Cosmetics CC cream. You can bring any BB cream or CC cream that you like. I really like this one because of the SPF 50, and also you can build up coverage. Next, I'm bringing an under eye concealer, which you can maybe bring a regular concealer, but I tend to mainly conceal under my eyes anyway, so I'm bringing my Tarte CC Under Eye Corrector. The label's kind of rubbed off, but you get the idea. And I can also use this on blemishes if I really need to. I'm also bringing my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. Just bring any powder that's good for you, just for your shiny days. And then of course you need a brush to apply. I'm also bringing a lip balm, which I think is really important for skincare in general as well. I'm bringing the Kiehl's lip balm, and if you want to bring a tinted one for some color, that's also a good idea. Lastly, I'm bringing an eyebrow pencil. This might not be necessary for everyone, but I'm not bringing mascara or anything else, so this is my extra special item for me. I'm bringing the Anastasia Brow Wiz. And then to go with that, I'm bringing tweezers. These are of course great in your first aid kit as well, but for me, I'm counting it as one of my makeup items. So yeah, I'm wearing all those products on my face right now so you get an idea of what it looks like. I hope this is helpful for you. Obviously, you can mix and match if you need to add something or if one of these things is not necessary for you. But I hope this is helpful to get you on track at least. Subscribe and like if you want, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment and we'll get back to you. Thanks, bye.